Hi everyone. So today I'll be teaching you a very easy yoga pose that you can follow whether you're a beginner or not. And even if you're pregnant like me, this is called tree pose, and we can start by placing the leg over the ankle. See how long you can stay. Maybe stay for 30 seconds if you can. And then if you find it too easy, we will be proceeding to do more advanced variations of the tree pose. So just find your center and ground yourself. You can take the time to stabilize and go up higher, placing the foot on the calf and making sure that it is below the knee. Bringing the hands back to prayer pose. Again, just standing still, finding your balance, relaxing, breathing, and getting the groove of the pose. And then again, you can shake your hands out to the side, stretch a little bit, and finally go to the highest position. So as you can see, for me it's a bit tricky because I am nearly 5 months and the extra weight is bearing on me, and so my center of gravity is different from the usual. So this can be for prenatal yoga or even for those without children. And then again, this is the full expression of tree pose at the highest level, bringing the foot all the way up to the thigh. Again, making sure it's above the knee. And of course, if we did one leg, we will also have to do the other leg. So continue on your own. So demonstrating here, first level, just placing the foot over the ankle. Just breathe in and breathe out, finding your center. You can gaze at one point or close your eyes, whichever brings you to your center. And then next, go higher up, placing the foot right below the knee. Keeping yourself steady. So tree pose is good for strengthening the legs, for improving your stability, and also for your own internal equilibrium and balance. And now finally, the full expression of the pose, bringing the foot to the thigh. So you may wobble and move side to side, and that's perfectly normal. You may also sometimes feel yourself off balance, but that is well and good, part of life. And now we end, stretching out, bringing ourselves in Anjali Mudra. So enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you very much. Sat Nam. See you again soon.